Hello everyone, you all are welcome in my video. Today we are going to do cursive A to Z. In English we have 26 alphabets, each alphabet having their own sound. So let's start our video with these sounds. These sounds are called phonetic sound. Let's start with letters. First of all, come to the letter A. So look here how to write it. First make a slant line, little bit down, go back, touch upward black line, then make a tail like this. A says A. A says A apple, A aeroplane, A X. After A, come to the next letter B. B says B. Slant line, touch the red line, then come down like this. Again touch upward black line and turn like this. This is B. B says B. B ball, B bell, B balloon. After B, let us C. C says K. C says K. Slant line, little bit down, then turn it like this. C says K. K cap, K cup, K cow. C says K. After C, come to the next letter D. D says D. D says D. Slant line, little down, make a C, go upward, touch the red line, then came down and make a tail like this. This is D. D says D. D says D. The dog, the duck, the door, the dustbin. D says D. Now revise it again. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D. After D, come to the next letter E. E says A. E says A. Slant line and come back like this. E says A. E says A. After E, we having letter F. F says F. F says F. Slant line, turn, touch the red line, and again center of both black line and turn like this. F says F. F says F. For fan, for frog, for fish, for flower. After F, we having G. G says G. G says G. Slant line, little down, make a C, touch the black line, and again come to downward red line and turn like this. G says G. G says G. G grapes, G gun, G goat. G says G. After G, letter H. H says H. H says H. This is so simple. Make a slant line, touch upward red line, come back, touch the blue line and turn like this. It says her. It says her. Her house, her hot, her hots. It says her. It okay. Let's revise it again. E says a engine. F says fur. G says girl. H says her. Now come to the next letter. I. I says E. I says E. Slant line and little bit slant line again. Touch the black line. Turn like this and put a dot middle of red and black line. I says E. I says E. E igloo and I ice cream. I says E. After I, J. J says J. J says J. Slant line and again slant line and turn like this. J says J. J says J. J jug. J joker. J jacket. J says J. After J, K. K says K. K says K. Slant line. This is so simple. Again, touch this black line. Now reverse. Turn like this and touch this black line and turn like this. K says K. K says K. K kite. K king. K says K. After K, L. L says L. L says L. Make a slant line and now go back and make a straight line and touch the black line. L says L. L says L. L lock. L lion. L lamb. L says L. Now revise it again. I says E. J says J. K says K. L says L. Now after L we have letter M. M says M. M says M. Make a slant line, then turn like this and again go upward, turn, again go upward and again down touch black line like this. M says M. M monkey. M moon. M says M. After M, N. N says N. Slant line. Now touch this black line downward, again go upward and turn like this. N says N. N nose. N nest. N needle. N says N. After N, come to the next letter, letter O. O says O. O says O. Slant line. Then make a circle like this and turn like this. This is O. O says O. or orange, or onion, or orange and a onion. O says O. After O, come to the next letter, letter P. P says P. Make a slant line and again come down, touch the red line, again touch the black line, turn like this. P says P. P says P. Pin, P pineapple, P parrot. P says P. Now revise it. M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P. After P, come to the next letter, letter Q. U says Q. Make a slant line, make a C, again touch the black line, again come down, touch this red line and little bit go upward. This is Q. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q quilt, Q queen. After Q, R. After Q, our next letter is R. R says R. R says R. Make a slant line, touch the black line, round, again touch the black line and turn like this. R says R. R rose, R ring. R rose and R ring. R says R. After R, come to the next letter, letter S. S says Sir. Slant line, touch the black line, round, again touch downward black line, turn like this. S says Sir. Sir snake, Sir sunflower, Sir spoon. S says Sir. After S, come to the next letter, letter T. T says T. Slant line and come down straight. T says T. T telephone, T tomato. T says T. Revise it. Q says Q. R says R. S says Sir. T says T. After T, come to the next letter, letter U. U says A. Make a slant line and write like this. U says A umbrella, A on. U says A. After U, come to the next letter, letter V. Make a slant line and write V like this. V says V. V vulture, V violin. V says V. After V, W. Our next letter is W. W says W. W says W. Slant line, turn, again one more turn, make a small turn. W says W. W watermelon, W watch. W says W. After W, X. X says X. X says X. Slant line and reverse C. Again go back, From this middle point, make a C like this. X says X. X says X. X, Xmas tree, the xylophone. X says X. Now Y says Y. Y says Y. Make a slant line. Make a U. Turn and come down. Touch the red line and again turn like this. Y says Y. Y yacht. Y York. Y says Y. And next letter is Z. Slant line. Turn. Again turn. Touch the red line and turn like this. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z zebra. Z zero. Z says Z. Now let's revise it again. U says A. V says W. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. Z says Z. Now we done our cursive A to Z. Hope you all enjoy this video. So do it, practice and make your formation beautiful. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.